Hi School family, how are you guys? Today we are going to be practicing our numbers and counting. So I want to see if you guys know how to count and if you know your numbers. Now you'll need your chalkboard that I sent home with you guys, your chalk and your chalkboard eraser, okay? And then the rest I'm going to have up here and we're going to practice together. Now I have these different trees and we're gonna put apples on them because you know apples grow on trees. They grow on the branches and you can pull them off when they're ready. Some of you might have gone to the pumpkin patch before and could do that. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see the apples on the tree and how we're gonna know what number it is. So I have them all mixed up and you know what? I'm not even gonna peek. I'm gonna have them all backwards to me. Okay, are you ready? Because you're going to have to write your numbers. All right, let's start with this one right here. Ooh, what number is this? What number is this? Do you know? Well, you know what? We have special dots on our trees to tell us how many or what number that is. So I'm going to put it on my board here. You know what? I'm going to scoot you a little further or a little closer so you can see. Now, let's put an apple on each dot. Ready? Okay, there's that one. Here's another dot and another dot. Okay, I put my apples on there on just the dots that I had. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. So this is the number 3 because we have 3 apples. All right, are you guys ready to write your number 3? Okay, get your chalk ready. So a 3, it looks like a backwards C, doesn't it? Little C. So maybe take your finger and trace the number 3. Go ahead, pretend to trace it. That's a very small number 3, so we're going to try and write our own. Ready? I'll draw it once and then I'll do it again with you guys. So this is our number 3. Okay, so it starts at the top, it goes around into the middle, stops, and then it goes around and stops. It's kind of like a backwards C. Okay, are you ready? Let's try it. Okay, your turn. Ready? Go around and stop. Go around and stop. And that is our number 3. Did you do it? 3s are kind of tricky, so if it takes you some more practice, that's okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase our 3, and I'm going to put our apples back. Okay, I'm going to take this one down because we did it. All right, I have my cards here. I'm going to pick another one. Let's pick this one. Ooh, this is a new number down here, see? Doesn't look like the number 3. Let me put my apples on my dots. How many do you think it is? Oh, my apples are falling, my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, why are my apples falling? That is so weird. I think I need to hold it. Then they'll stay. There we go. Okay, I put all my apples on my dots. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the number 4. Can you guys make the number? Can you hold up 4 fingers? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the number 4. 4. Okay. Now we're going to try and write our number 4. Again, I'm going to write it first and then I'll show you guys. So 4 is a straight line down. And then you go to the middle of that line, you go over, stop, and then up. Just like that. So now you can try with me. Get your chalk ready. You're going to do a straight line down. Go to the middle of your line and go over and up. And there is your number 4. 4. Very good. All right. Let's see. I'm going to take these apples off. They were trying to escape, weren't they? Okay, we did number 4 and number 3. I have 3 more cards left. Let's see. Let's go with this number. Ooh. What number is this? What number is that down here? Let's put the apples on the tree and it'll tell us. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. My apples keep falling. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2. 2 apples. So that means this is the number 2. Yes, this is the number 2. Okay, we're gonna write our 2. Again, watch me. So a 2 is kind of tricky. You start and you curve around and go down, stop, and then do a straight line across. 2s are very hard, but you can do it. I know you can do it. Okay, let's try it. Try it with me. Get your chalk. We're going to start here and we're going to curve around, and then we're going to go at a diagonal line and then across. So see, 2s have that diagonal line. It's not a straight line, it's diagonal. And then a straight line across. So it does have a straight line here. And that is the number 2. Can you guys show me 2 fingers? 2. All right. Okay. Let me move my apples off here. Okay, we have 2 more cards left. 2 more. I'm going to mix them up. Mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, mix them up. All right. What number? Oh, man. What number is this? Do you know? Let's put our apple on the dot. Okay. How many apples do I have? 1. That shows me this is the number 1. 1. Yes. My apple keeps falling, so you know I'm going to put it right over there. This is how we do a 1. It is a straight line down, just like that. So do you have your chalk? This one is the easy one. Ready? Straight line down. Whoop. 1. That is our number 1. Good job. 1s are kind of easy. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. Take it off. Now we have 1 more card left. What number do you think it is going to be? Go ahead and guess. Okay, you ready to see if you were right? I'm hiding it. Here we go. What number is that? Ooh, let's put our apples on so we can see and find out what number it is. Okay, I'm covering up all my dots with my apples. Okay, all my dots are covered. Let's count them. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So this means this is the number 5. Can you show me 5 fingers? That's all your fingers on one hand is 5. 5. So now we're going to write our number 5. Okay, so a 5 has a straight line across, and then it goes down a little bit, and then it has a belly. It has a belly. Yes. Are you ready to write your 5 with me? Okay, here we go. Get your chalk ready. You're going to do a straight line across, and then at the end you're going to do a little line down, and then you're going to give it a whoosh, a big belly. A big belly, and that is the number 5. That one got kind of cut off, but there is my number 5. So this is the number 5. All right. So let's go over the numbers that we saw today. Okay. Now this isn't all of our numbers. We have lots of numbers that we're going to be learning, but these, I just wanted to focus on 1 through 5 with you guys today. So this is the number 3. You know what? I'm going to put them in order, actually. I'm going to do that because that might make it a little bit easier to understand. Okay. This is the number 1. 1 is a straight line down. This is the number 2. Remember, it curves, goes into a diagonal, and a straight line across. This is the number 3. It has like 2 humps, kind of like a camel has 2 humps. Ready? Woom, woom. Number 3. This is the number 4. It is a straight line down, and then you go to the middle and you go over and up. That is the number 4. And our last one is the number 5. And the 5, we go over in a straight line, stop, go down, stop, and then you give it a belly. Number 5. Now, here at school, I have other apples that you guys can play with, and we have more numbers, and we have these numbers on them. And I'm just going to show them to you guys because we didn't go through them today. We just did 1 through 5 today. But here are our other numbers. This is the number 6. This is the number 7. This is the number 8. This is the number 9. And this is the number 10. Now, if you want, you can pause the video after each of those numbers and you can practice writing those if you want to practice numbers 6 through 10. All right, friends, let's go ahead and practice our counting. We're going to count our fingers and then we will be all done. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Very good. All right, friends, I'm so proud of you on your number writing today and counting with me so we could find out how many apples was in that basket. All right, friends, I am so proud of you and I will see you guys soon. Bye.